So it's 7:13 a.m. I just got off the computer around 7 a.m. It was like 7:05 a.m. when I checked out here. But yeah, snow and ice is out there. It was not like this last night when I started streaming. I had no clue that it was coming in. So, here it is. I'm not going anywhere the next few days, because I do not drive on snow or ice. So hopefully electricity stays on and they don't turn it off like they did in 2021. But let's see. If they do turn it off, I'm going to vlog it all again, just like I did last time. Here it is. Frozen.